First of all, we download the SQL server and click on this link that is associated with the Microsoft. Click on the Express. There is two. First is developer. Second edition is Express. And is a free edition of SQL Server ideal for development production for desktop, web, and small server application. And this developer is full-featured free edition license for use as development and test database in non-production environment. And it is used for the production environment. So download it. And here is downloading started. And this is exe file that is done. And in next video, we will see